Hi everyone. Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. AI is evolving faster than ever, and if you're a content creator, you already know how challenging it is to keep up. Especially after tools like Grok AI moved behind a paywall, it felt like we were losing access to powerful free creative resources. For a while, it seemed like high-quality AI video generation would only be available to those willing to pay. But then Google stepped in and completely changed the landscape. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to access and use Google's Veo 3.1 inside their Opal platform to create stunning, professional-quality AI videos for free. Once you understand this process, it can completely transform how you create content. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the platform and sign in. To get started, you don't need any special link. Simply open your browser and search for opal.google. From the search results, click on the official Google project page. This will take you directly to the platform. Since this is a Google-hosted environment, the interface and login process may look slightly different from other websites you've used, but it is completely secure and reliable. Once the page loads, you'll see a button labeled Try Opal Now. Click on it to begin. After the page reloads, you will then be asked to select a Google account. Choose any Gmail account already available on your device and click Continue. Google may request a few standard permissions to connect your account with the platform. Go ahead and click Allow, then press Continue once more. Within a few seconds, you will be redirected to the main dashboard where you can start creating your AI videos. Step 2. Explore the dashboard and understand the system. Once you arrive at the dashboard, you'll notice a gallery of videos and tools created by users around the world. This section is useful for inspiration, but for now, focus on creating your own content. Look at the left side of the screen and click the Create button to open your workspace. Behind the scenes, Veo 3.1 is a highly advanced AI video model that uses modern diffusion systems and motion consistency algorithms. This allows it to generate smooth, realistic movement instead of random or choppy frames. It also processes lighting, depth, and texture in a way that gives your videos a cinematic and professional feel. This is why the results look far more realistic compared to most free tools. Step 3. Configure the correct AI model. Before typing anything, it is important to set up the correct model. At the top of the interface, click on Generate to open the side panel. Inside this panel, find the Agent option and click on it. A list of available AI tools will appear. From this list, select Veo. After selecting Veo, you will see an Advanced Settings option appear. Click on it. By default, the system may be set to Veo 3, but for the best quality, you need to switch it to Veo 3.1. This version offers improved prompt understanding, better motion realism, and higher visual clarity. The difference in output quality is very noticeable, especially in complex scenes. Step 4. Choose the right aspect ratio. Next, you need to select the correct aspect ratio depending on your content goal. If you are creating videos for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, choose the 9:16 vertical format. This ensures your video fits perfectly on mobile screens. If you are creating content for standard YouTube videos or presentations, you should switch to the 16:9 horizontal format. Setting the correct ratio helps maintain proper composition and prevents unwanted cropping or distortion in your final video. Step 5. Write a detailed prompt. Now it's time to enter your prompt. At the top of the panel, you'll find the prompt box. This is where you describe the video you want to generate. The quality of your result depends heavily on how detailed your prompt is. Instead of writing something simple, try to include details about the subject, environment, lighting, camera movement, and overall mood. For example, rather than saying, "a dog running," you could describe a cinematic scene with lighting, motion, and environment details. The AI performs much better when it has more information to work with, resulting in more realistic and visually appealing output. Step 6. Generate your video. Once your prompt is ready, click the Preview button first. This helps the system process your input. Then click Start to begin generating the video. The generation process usually takes around 1 to 1.5 minutes. During this time, the AI is rendering frames, applying motion consistency, and refining visual details to ensure the output looks smooth and professional. When the video is ready, a preview will appear in your workspace. Click on the App button to view it in full screen. If you're satisfied with the result, click the 3 dots in the corner and select Download to save the video to your device. Step 7. Create landscape videos. If you want to create a different style of video, simply clear your previous prompt and enter a new one. Then go back into the settings and change the aspect ratio to 16:9. If the previous preview is still visible, refresh your browser. After that, click Start again to generate your new video. This allows you to easily switch between vertical and horizontal formats, depending on your content needs. Step 8. Turn images into videos. One of the most powerful features of this platform is the ability to convert images into videos. To do this, click on the User Input option from the dashboard. This will open a node-based panel. You need to drag the User Input node and connect it to the Generate node. This connection tells the AI to use your uploaded image as the base for the video. Next, go into the User Input settings and select Image. Then return to the Generate settings and make sure Veo 3.1 is still selected. Now first, enter your prompt describing how you want the image to move. After that, upload your image using the plus icon and click Send to begin the generation process. Within a short time, your still image will be transformed into a dynamic, animated video with realistic motion. As you can see, this tool is incredibly powerful and flexible. It allows you to create high-quality videos without watermarks, without expensive subscriptions, and without complex editing skills. For creators who are looking for a free alternative after losing access to other tools, this is one of the best solutions currently available. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Techie Dialogue and stay tuned for more hidden tools, tips, and AI breakthroughs.